That's a pretty one there. Got a nice green one. You guys gonna help me clean out the chicken coop? So this is a not so fun part of owning chickens, but it's a necessary evil. You gotta clean a chicken coop. So chicken coop's all clean. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it's a chicken coop. We cleaned out the nesting boxes, so we stick all the eggs in one nesting box today. So see how many we get. 2. A nice chocolate colored one right there. 9 eggs. So the weather this week has been, can I say, extreme. On Monday morning it was 24. Today it's almost 80, like 77 degrees. The animals are ready to eat. We're ready to put them away. So let's get at it. Get out here, chickens. Come on. Come on. Hey, Rocky.